How's everybody doing? Beautiful day out here in the Mojave Desert. Got a nice scenic view of the canyon. Out here with my dad. Getting some bees out of a water box. We already started. Got one piece of comb rubber banded in. Now we're just looking for the queen and getting all this comb out of there. Jesus.
It's okay.
I'll edit it, yeah. Just found the queen on this comb right here. Just crawled onto the other side. Right there. There she is. Catch her real quick. Give me the clip. Where'd it go? It was on top of the hive. It's right there. It's right there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, she just climbed out. Not that easy.
Yeah, make sure. Let's put a rubber band on that.
It's an old queen clip, so she was able to slip out.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine. I'm getting a video.
We're catching the bees. The water company called us.
This right here is proof that you don't need a full-on suit to work with bees, as long as you don't step on any of them. This is what it's all for. Nice little piece of honeycomb. I'm gonna be giving all this back to the bees, get them through winter. Going good. Put the queen down in the box. Hopefully they'll start going in there. Got all the comb out. Now they all just need to find their mom. Couldn't ask for a better view. We're doing some bee removals. Got all these bees still in the box, not really marching into the queen yet. So I'm gonna scoop up a couple of them and try and get them to get on in there. Now one of them stung me. And this was an established hive, not just a swarm. There's all the comb. Saw in the rest of the video. Alright, I've got a little more confidence with the gloves so I can scoop up a few more larger handfuls. You can see them all fanning and running right on in there. Alright, we're out here at the second hive of the day. Right down the street from our property. It's a small local water company, so we ended up getting a job removing any beehives they get, and they called me the other day, said they had 7 hives in water meter boxes, so we went around today and a couple of them couldn't find the bees. It seemed like there was none in there, but we found a couple. We did one yesterday. There's a couple left. So we're gonna get into this one. Oh, it looks like it got so hot that the comb fell off. You know? It melted off. Because the concrete box.
That's what happened.
But it happened a while ago, not just because I lifted it off.
I was wondering about that. It's in a hot location.
Well, that and just because it's concrete versus the plastic boxes. It's got
Should we
hotter.
set this down or
Yeah. It's not fun.
stop it?
Yeah. Got all the comb out. There's no sign of the queen yet, so we're just searching for her. There's a hole here where they're coming up, so we're worried that she might be hiding in there. Well, we didn't see the queen, but it's pretty obvious she's in the box. There wasn't a whole lot of comb we could wire up, but we put in there what we could. Still haven't seen the queen, but they're coming up out of this hole, going in there. So we're gonna assume she's in there. Hopefully we're right. So we thought she was in here, but then I just saw her right down here in the corner. She went underneath, so I'm gonna try to coax her out and catch her. Should be right here. Where did she go? She might have walked in on her own, but if I find her, I'll catch her. Alright, we're back at the property now. Got the bees all back here. We ended up getting 5 hives this weekend. And it's a couple days later now. One of them decided to fly away today. That's usually how it goes. And yeah, it's always good to get some new bees on the property. Alright, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.